it's Tejasvi and today I'm going to frame my July favorite. Joy Strawberry Scrub. It's a good scrub I would say for a regular use, and also the texture is quite creamy and my skin feels really very soft when I use it. The thing is that it also controls the blackheads, which is good yay for me. It's pretty affordable as well, so it's a must buy I would say. Pico Turmeric Shaving Cream. I like the fragrance of this. It's more like herbal and turmeric. Also, it feels good on skin. It nourishes and also hydrates the skin, which feels very good. After I apply this shaving cream, it feels like a little cooling and breezy feel on the skin. So, definitely must buy from me. Parachute coconut oil, it's 100% pure. I have been using it since last 2 years. It's literally empty, so you would have got idea of how much I have used it. Also the thing is that it has cured my hair a lot. It has reduced my hair fall, grey hair and withered hair. So I just feel that I will continue using it, and most of us have been ignoring the benefits of coconut oil. We have always been asked to use it, but we ignore. But I think it's the perfect solution to cure the hair, and I feel it have really healed my roots from within, and I'm totally impressed with it, how it have reduced my grey hair and hair fall as well. So I'm not just going to use this on the weekends but throughout the week, as it has been the most beneficial to my hair. Coco Nourish. I started to use this bottle of coconut oil after the Parachute one got emptied. It also have 100% coconut oil, so it works exactly the same as the earlier one. It plus strong and long. Most of us have used when we were in school. I did the same. But after ages, I have turned back to it, and my hair have really felt heaven since I have used it. It really does what it says, and I'm still going to use it for long. So in this month, this has been my favorite shampoo. Hair and Care Dry Fruit Oil. It says it have walnut and almond. It's more towards the perfumed hair oil than the normal one. It's the non-sticky, which gives a good shine to the hair without it making more sticky. I like my hair to be perfumed or smell like a perfume, so it's okay for me. But if you're the person who don't like much perfumed hair oil, so it won't be your choice. But for me, it's okay, and it gives a good shine. It's not just for shine purpose, but it also nourishes the hair and keeps it more healthy, so it's a go-to for me. Keep Up Cleansing Charcoal Nose Spray. I like it as it really does what it says. It removes the blackheads, whitehead and oil and dirt, and also it's painless, which is very good. It's very easy and convenient. It hardly takes like 15 to 20 minutes, and it really cleaned my pores and made my nose all free from blackheads and whiteheads and whatever dirt it had. And also it's pretty affordable. You can just buy a single strip of this, or it just comes in a box of 3. So it's really convenient, and I'm going to buy more of these. Roadster by the Sea. This is the first online deo that I have bought from Myntra. Also, I was a little scared about how it would be, but it really smells good, and it's the fragrance that I really like. It smells of sea, ocean, breeze and sky, and I really like it. Garnier Moisturizing Serum in Lotion. I like something about this is that it's good for your face and body as well. That means that you can just entirely slap it all over your body and face, and it really works so good. Also, we have UV filters, which is something that I would go for always. And about the Garnier products I like the most is that it not just gives you the glow for a temporary thing, but also it tries to heal your skin from within. So even after you have applied the Garnier cream, and after some time if you don't use it, you will just feel that your skin has been healing from within, and it's just reduces the pigment or say uneven pigment on your skin, and it tries to bring the glow from within than just showing on your face and your skin. So this I have really liked, and I'm definitely going to buy more bottle of this. This nail polish I have got from Miniso. It's Pitula nail polish. It is in shade turquoise green 02. I like how it glides very smooth and dries pretty quick. This I have applied right now. Also, it's French formula, so I like it, and it's just for ₹90. And I think it's really very nice for the price. Lastly, its cover has been removed, but it's a part of my nighttime routine. I don't sleep without applying Vaseline to my face, hands and feet. It really gives me a good shine next morning and heals and nourishes my skin, which I feel really very good. Also, it has hit my cracked heel, so it's definitely a must buy. It's a Chandan face mask or a sandalwood face mask, you would say. It has more like a scrub texture than the regular mask texture, but it feels really very nice on the skin once you apply. It takes hardly 15 to 20 minutes to dry, which most of the mask takes. But after effects of this is very good. It has left me with a very smooth and glowing skin, which I like. Also, it has took care of my whiteheads and blackheads also. And the pigments have been under the control. So Chandan face mask is something that I have been using entire month. I just apply it on the weekends, not the entire week. But it's a good mask, and it's something that is herbal also. I just got it from Wooden Station. There's this Nagrik store where you would get other face masks as well. So a must buy. Maybelline Fit Me. It's in shade Warm Nude 128. I have applied it on my face right now and it glides very smooth on the skin. But the only thing is that when you apply it fresh, it would give you a more like a powdery texture. But as it gets mixed with your sweat, it feels more like your second skin, and I like the most. It feels so smooth and very nice and comfortable and glowing that you feel like to make it more glowy, you should remove your facial hair, but don't do that. I have not did. But you also don't do that. But it's a must and a perfect foundation that I have found for me finally. And it's a must buy. But the thing is that you should find your right shade. For me, luckily I found mine. But you should find a very nice shade of yours. And Maybelline had definitely found a solution to most of the foundation levels. Blue Heaven Matte Lip Color. It's in shade 05. It glides very smooth on the lips and it stays all day long. It would survive all your heavy meals, all your oily meals, and still will be there. It's very nice. It won't take much of the touch-ups. It's a must buy from my side. Also, it's very affordable, so definitely a must buy. This is Nikake New York. I like how its bullet is very nice and sturdy and travel friendly. Also, it looks very classy and rich. It have a little velvety texture. Now, this is the saying about the bullet, but the lipstick within, it's kind of problematic and I have a little confused and mixed feeling for this. So when I used it for the first time, it melted on my lips. I mean, literally the bullet just melted on my lips and I was very scared that probably I would have to throw. But it's not very that much of a melty. It glides very smooth on my lips and it gave a nice matte finish. Also, you can make it transfer proof by kissing 3 or 4 times on the tissue paper. It would make it more matte. So I would buy it more because they also have many varieties of shade such as black, green. So I'm definitely going to try more. It scared me at the first, but then it's a good lipstick, so it has become my favorite. Megalyn Waterproof Mascara. It really does what it says. It lengthens the eyelashes and gives you a nice freshen up glow. So I have been using it this entire month, so this is definitely a must buy. Also, it's pretty affordable, so definitely a buy. That's it guys, we are done with today's video. If you like it, turn the black thumb blue and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.